You have a budget, but you don't know where to invest your money. The latest iPhone or the latest GoPro?
And that's the subject of today's video.
So which footage belongs to which devices? We'll see that soon enough.
Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel.
I know, I'm a lucky girl. I have two brand new devices and I want to share my thoughts, experience and tests with you all so you can make better decisions. This video will be a sound comparison, a video comparison and a photo comparison. So let's start with the audio in different locations. And if you're new to my channel, bienvenue. My name is Céline, I'm a Belgian TV journalist and testing, learning about those high-tech devices is one of my passions. Now that you et moi, we know each other, let's get going. On y va! We are in the car, it's still nighttime and I just wanted to check the audio with you guys. I was wondering if the audio was maybe better on the iPhone 12 instead of the GoPro 9 Black. Outside, I'm pretty sure the GoPro did pretty well. And now I'm wondering if the iPhone 12 is good in a quiet area. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. No, okay, j'arrête. When I was outside, you could barely hear the sound of the wind on the GoPro 9, while the iPhone 12 records all of the surrounding sounds. And when recording inside my car, with every windows closed, the sound was quite good on both sides. Now that we have cleared the audio dilemma, let's jump right into the video comparison. And this is where you'll be the ones guessing before I give you the answer. These shots were taken at 4K, 60 frames per second. Now let's see how the stabilization works on both devices. As you can clearly see, the GoPro with its Hyper Smooth Boost does a better job. Let's start our final contest, the photos. The iPhone 12 has a 12 megapixel resolution. We really can see quite an improvement with the ISO, and I'm sure that the aperture of 1.6 is helping a lot with the great low light in photography. In night mode, the iPhone 12 does a great job because the wide angle has been improved for low lights photos. So, did you guess all of my videos right? What do you think about both cameras? Let's have a chat in the comment section down en dessous.
Et les amis, if you haven't done it yet, like and subscribe so we can see each other next week. Take care. Salut!